something is happened with me, something is happened with you, something is happened with all when speaking English, because our tongue is influenced to speak our mother tongue. Our mouth is habituated to speak our mother tongue, not English. Every beginner goes through this chapter, nobody can deny. And hesitation, shyness, anxiety, these are the common problem of every beginner. In this video, I am going to discuss about without hesitation how to speak English. My name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Hesitation from mistakes. First of all, I would like to say you don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is deliver your message. No need to concern about grammar or about your perfection. You need to clarity of thought. Initially, no need to vigilant about perfect English with right amount grammar. Actually, we are very concerned about our accent, about our style, and that's why we lack our confidence when we speak in English. And we may worry about what people will think about us. Here for making mistakes. As English is not our mother tongue, words don't flow through us as easily as our mother tongue. It takes some time for our brain to process and send right words. Actually, we are not accustomed to speak in English. I would like to share with you some tricks which is really going to help you to speak in English without hesitation or anxiety. Take out any content and start speaking. Minimum 1 minute you try to speak without any pause, without any break. Maybe any story, maybe any memorable day in your life, maybe any funny incident. There are some rules. You must speak minimum 1 minute. You can't stop your speaking. You have to speak minimum 1 minute. You have to pause to catch your breath. It's okay, but you cannot pause for more 3 seconds. Even if you say nonsense or you say something non-related to the topic, it doesn't matter. Mind it, you have to speak 1 minute without any pause. You must talk for the full minutes. Only 10 days you may try this technique. I am challenging you. This technique is going to help you to speak without hesitation. When you are speaking, you are just concentrate on your speaking. You speak into your cell phone or voice recorder. You can identify what areas you need to improve. If you keep your recording on your cell phone or save on your computer, you come back after few months or few weeks and see how much you have improved since that time. I came here yesterday. This is my brother's house. To attend a festival. I came here yesterday. After a long time, we met with my friends and so many relatives. They are so crowded, and now I am on the roof. And I want to show you something. This is guava trees, and guavas are also here. And there are so many trees, lychee trees, coconut trees, jackfruit trees. Many trees are also available here. In the evening we will go to sea beach. That's all for today, guys. And if you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing. I will see you again on next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.